friends, I have a story for you today about fall leaves. This one's called Mouse's First Fall. It's almost time for fall and our leaves are going to start to change very soon. One cool fall day, Mouse and Minka came out to play. Tumbling and twirling, leaves fall and fell all around. Look at all the colors, Minka said. Mouse saw red leaves and yellow leaves and orange leaves and brown leaves. Look how pretty they all are. Look at all the shapes, Minka said. They're different. Different trees have different leaves. Mouse saw round leaves and skinny leaves and pointy leaves and smooth leaves. Let's run through the leaves, said Minka. Have you ever run through the leaves? It's a lot of fun. Makes a big mess, but it's really a lot of fun. Mouse ran and skipped and kicked and swished through all the leaves. Fun! Let's pile them up, said Minka. So here they go, one on top of the other one. The brown one, then the red one, then the yellow one. I wonder how high they're going to go. Looks very high. Mouse piled the leaves high. 1 leaf, 2 leaf, 3 leaf. Lots of leaves, yippee! What a big pile, Minka said. Let's jump in. Ready? Get set. Let's go. Mouse leaped and jumped and plopped and rolled into the leaves. Whee! Some are still falling off the tree. I'm hiding, called Minka. Can you find me? Where could she be? There's a tail. Do you think it's Minka? She's gone. Mouse peeked and poked and peered between the leaves. Where could Minka be? There's a tail here. Did she move? Then out popped Minka. Here I am. Hooray! Hooray for Minka. Hooray for Mouse. Hip hip hooray for fall. Bye, friends.